Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to color this red wig and also how to curl the ends of the hair. I'm going to be using the Kiss Temptation in the shade Crimson, and I'm also going to be protecting my lace with conditioner. I know a lot of people use Got2be free spray to put on their lace when they watercolor, but I've used that too, but I've heard mixed reviews that sometimes that don't always protect your lace. So I found this new technique that if you use conditioner on your lace, it will protect it from staining. I know y'all like, this wig is already red, but I dyed this wig red before. I did the bleach bath method and it didn't really lift how I wanted it to. I think because like I didn't do the bleach bath method right, but I'm gonna redo that and perfect it. But it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted, so that's why I went ahead and tried to watercolor it again with the Kiss Temptation, because I did use the Adore. And one thing about Adore, once you put that in your weaves, it always is bleeding. Like anytime you wash the wig, it is bleeding. Like, you know, when you dye your hair and you rinse it out, it should be rinsing out clear, but with the door dye, it's just always, the color is always bleeding off the hair, and that can lead to your wig fading. So that's why I went ahead and re-dyed it. But now I just filled the sink up with hot water, put half of the bottle in there, and I'm just saturating the hair with that color. You want to make sure you get that color deep inside. I'm taking my brush, making sure I brush it all the way through, but you just want to make sure you saturate every part of your hair when you're doing the watercolor method. So now I'm going to let that sit on the hair for 5 minutes, and once it gets done sitting for 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. And once I rinsed the hair out, I went ahead and did the watercolor method again, just because y'all, I really wanted this hair to be like a vibrant burgundy. So I went ahead and you know, just let the hair sit in the water again for another 5 minutes, and poured the rest of the bottle in there. All my ladies get it up. I see you, I do the same. Take it to another level, no passengers on my plane. Hey, hey, hey. This is a stick up. Okay, so now I'm using the Treseme conditioner to condition my hair after I rinse all of that color out, just to you know, add some moisture and shine back into the hair. Okay, so I haven't washed this wig since I took it off. That's why you see all that extra glue on there. But I want to show y'all that when you wash the wig, the glue comes off easily. Like, you literally can peel it off. So I used to just, like, as soon as I take off my wigs, while it's dry, take alcohol in a rag and scrub it off. And I noticed that I'll be like scrubbing for forever. But if you like wait to wash your wigs while the glue is still on there, I promise you the glue will come off so easily. Like, you don't have to put that much effort and work into it. I still went in with alcohol to clean out the lace. I used 70%. You can use 70% or higher. I used to use 90, but this is what I had. So 70%, put it on the rag, and all I did was just scrub it off. And as y'all can see, like, the glue is just peeling off very easily. You don't have to do it. I know it looks like I'm doing a lot, but I literally just did a couple of presses, and look, the glue just comes right off. So I would recommend washing your wigs with the glue still on it, and then go in and clean your lace, because it'll be much easier to get that glue off. So I'm using the Adore Honey Brown and also some conditioner. So this is a trick with color wigs. If your color wigs is not looking like scalp, like you can still see the knots of the color, you mix this together and put this on your lace like you're bleaching the knots. Like, spread it all over your lace like you're bleaching the knots, and I promise you the wig will look like scalp. This is for colored wigs. I got this trick from Slade by Jordan, because this wasn't my first time applying a wig, as y'all can see. And the first time when I really did apply it, I was like, it's not really giving scalp. Like, the red, like my scalp was looking red, I don't know. So I tried this, and it came out very much better. But yeah, you just want to put that on your lace, let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes, then wash it out. And this is the hair after I'm not gonna say this is the hair after I blow dried it. So there's a whole backstory of this wig. When I first recorded this video, the wig was not doing what I wanted to do. I didn't understand how to curl the ends. Like, it just wasn't working because I tried to install the wig on my head first and then do it. Didn't come out right. So I took the whole wig off and reinstalled it. And this is me doing it for the second time, but instead I am styling it on the mannequin head. And I feel like this is a better idea, ladies. If you do your own hair, you install your own wigs, I would recommend that you do it on your mannequin head first. Okay, y'all forget my dog in that last voiceover. He always growling at something. But yeah, so I took the wig off, did it on the mannequin head. And I think I'm going to start doing my wigs like this from now on, like styling it on the mannequin head, and that way I can just glue it down. I think it'll be much easier instead of trying to install it and then style it on my head. But yeah, so this is the clip after I did it. I am going to show the original clip of me first installing it and trying to style it on my head. But yeah, this is me doing it on the mannequin head. And to do the curled ends, what you want to do is go ahead and press the hair. I went ahead and did a press, one pass, and then once I press the hair and I get to the ends, I'm literally just going to curl the end and basically like flip the flat iron up and pull it through, if that makes sense. I hope y'all see what I'm doing, but you just want to curl the hair, and once you get to the very end, just literally curl the ends up and pull it through. And that's how you get the curl ends. And now I'm taking my Paul Mitchell Free Spray and I'm just spraying that over the curls just so they can hold. So this is the hair after I've completed all the curls on it, and I'm just going to go ahead and take that Paul Mitchell again and spray all the curls so they can hold. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my bald cap method. I'm just gelling my edges down with the Got2be glue in the black bottle. And as I'm doing that, so this is when I first installed the wig, like the day that I did the watercolor method. I blow dried it just the same day I did the watercolor method and tried to install it. And it was just not, this wig was beating my behind. My friend Smaya had texted me the other day and was like, "You're the strongest soldier I know in this wig game." And I appreciate her for that. But girl, behind these YouTube videos, I literally be crying. Like, it takes forever to do these wigs. Like, this day I wanted to cry and just give up and just delete this video because it just was not coming out. But I retried again the next day, saved this footage, and it ended up coming out cute. So yeah, it takes time doing your own hair. I definitely recommend setting out time out of your day, like just how you book a hair appointment. If you do your hair yourself, act like you're booking a hair appointment with yourself and set time out of your schedule to do your hair, because I used to be bad of actually doing a full wig install the day I'm about to go out, like going out with my friends to the club. We have to be ready by 9. I'm doing this at 7. And then I got to do my makeup. And that's how I'm always late. So I told myself this year, when I need to switch up my hair, I need to book a hair appointment with myself. Like, set aside time where I'm not being rushed. I don't have to worry about, oh my God, it's 8:50 and I'm supposed to be out the door at 9. So I just want to let y'all know it is not easy, girl. I be crying behind these videos. I want build house. I still want to know. Tell me, what's it gonna be? You are got all the bent. The girl them right. I know fit. Die for nothing. What's it gonna be? You are gonna all the bent. So I already tinted my bald cap, and I went ahead and did 3 layers of Bold Hold Active, and now I'm just laying down that lace in that glue. After all, I know this wig like really beat my behind installing it, but I got a lot of compliments on this color, so this might be my new color. Like, I went back home, my mom was like, "I love that color on you," and a lot of people was like, they love the red on me. And I was like, period, because, you know, I'm always doing jet black. Like, I've been a jet black girl for a minute. Like, every wig that I get, I jet black, and I just wanted to try another color. So I really liked it. I'm definitely gonna redo it again because this was cute, but I wanted a little bit more red. Like I wanted the red to be a little bit brighter, if that makes sense. So now I'm just tinting my lace. And this, by the way, I also want to make a disclaimer. This is like my second hair, well, my third hair video. I know y'all probably like, wow, you never tell us what wigs these are, but I actually hand make all of these wigs. I buy the bundles, the frontals, or the closure, whatever, if I'm making a frontal or closure wig. And I make them myself. Like I get on a sewing machine and make them. It's because I really don't like buying wigs from AliExpress or like Amazon, because I find that the wigs be really thin. I find that they be so thin. I like my hair to be thick. And also, not that, sometimes when you get these frontal wigs, they only give you the parting space down the middle and then the sides be cut off. Like if I'm buying a frontal, I want the full frontal where I can do side parts, middle parts. Like don't cut half of my frontal off. So that's why I got into making my own wigs. But I'll definitely do my research on places y'all can shop and try their wigs and install them so y'all can actually get them. But yeah, I hand make all of these wigs. So that's why I don't ever put the hair or the wig in the description box. So now I'm just sectioning off the part from my baby hairs, and y'all, I feel like this is the icing on the cake of what made me mad and just want to start over again, because this baby hair was acting up. But you know, now looking at this video, I feel like it was more on me because I should have plucked that a little bit more. That was like too thick of a baby hair. Like I should have plucked that a little bit more. And these hot combs were whack. I ended up going and buying me some more hot comb, another hot comb, because that hot comb did not do it. But I'm taking my pencil flat iron and just flat iron my baby hairs. And y'all, look how thick that baby hair is. Like that's why I didn't want to lay down, because that ain't no baby hair. Like that's a whole section of the hair. And I took the Nairobi mousse to go ahead and lay it down. But as y'all can see, like it was laying, but then it wasn't laying. So I'm over here just swooping and duping, trying to get it together, but it wasn't doing what I needed to do. And I was getting frustrated.
Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never helped your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar on the bar. In the sky, I'm a
So I took off the wrap strip, and the baby hair laid pretty fine. It was just that little end piece going into the hair that I tried to hot comb. But the scalp is, I mean, the lace is definitely giving scalp, so the lace melted really in. This is a HD 13 by 6 lace. Yes, I only rock 13 by 6 laces. I'm a 13 by 6 girl. The 13 by 4s just don't do it for me. Like the parts don't be long enough. You don't get enough parting space. And I only do 5 by 5 closures. Yes, that's me. So here's me trying to do it on myself. As y'all can see, look at the curl. Like I was trying so hard to get it together. I just don't know why when I was doing it on myself, it wasn't doing it. So now I'm just cleaning up my part, and I'm taking the Ruby Kisses level 15 and just defining my part. But yes, the hair was laid. It was definitely blended in. It was just the curls and that baby hair. Look at that baby hair. I don't know. Maybe I think I did too much baby hair. That's probably why. I'm gonna get it though. Baby hairs is difficult, but this is the second time I installed. This is the second time, and it came out much better. I loved it even more. The answers curl is definitely how I wanted it. But thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope y'all all enjoy it, and I'll see y'all next time in the next video.
Big bank, take little bank. Type of money you gon' need to stack.